Hi, welcome back to my channel Tomoko Shima Hair Salon. I'm Tomoko. In today's video, I will give you a little secret to make your original hair and skin oil. If you want to maintain and grow healthy hair, and the fact that this video came up during your search, say no more, you are meant to find this video. So please stay with me until the very end. With no further ado, let's formulate easy argan oil together. I like to mix argan oil with these essential oils, and the benefits are extraordinary. Allow me to introduce some essential oils and their combinations. Lavender and rosemary have a calming effect. Rosemary oil stimulates hair follicles, promotes hair growth, and enhances scalp circulation. The scalp sebum is balanced and soothes when coupled with lavender essential oil, which is known for its anti-inflammatory elements. Lavender oil naturally conditions hair, keeping it shiny and helps manage dandruff. It's also common to use for face lotion. Tea tree and peppermint are great for your scalp. Peppermint oil can give you a cool, tingling sensation when applied to the scalp. During the growing phase, peppermint oil can encourage hair growth. If you mix peppermint and tea tree, this exotic blend of nutritious elements rejuvenate hair roots without leaving a greasy residue. It soothes and dry, itchy scalp, while also preventing dandruff. Sweet orange oil eliminates dandruff and soothes dry, irritated scalp. Naturally, this type of essential oil contains important vitamins that nourish your hair follicles deeply, making them thick and strong. Eucalyptus can be used to increase hair growth and stimulate the scalp. It also possesses antimicrobial qualities, which aid in the cleanliness and wellness of the scalp. Zesty lemongrass with earthy cedarwood creates a delightful aroma. Cedarwood essential oil is calmed to encourage hair growth and minimize hair loss. It also possesses antifungal and antibacterial qualities that can treat various disorders that cause dandruff or hair loss. Lemongrass essential oil helps your hair grow faster, but keep in mind that lemongrass oil should not be applied straight to the skin. Mix a small amount into the argan oil. As for the measurement, the amount you mix is in this chart. If you are using these oils for the first time, mix 3 to 6 drops into the argan oil to test your skin sensitivity, and then increase to 5 to 10 drops as you are comfortable. Use for natural fragrance, mix 30 drops and use only a tiny area. And I also wrote this in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Before we end this video, I introduced a 100% organic argan oil product in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet and you like this series, please check my video, What's the Benefit of Argan Oil and the reason why I am recommending. In my next video, I will show you advanced DIY with argan oil, how to make scalp mask and hair grow lotion. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. If you have a curious question regarding hair or argan oil, don't hesitate to comment below. And oh, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Feel beautiful, my wonderful viewers, and I will see you next time. Bye!